State Pollution Board Odisha has announced recruitment on the position of different posts. These posts are of Group B and Group C category. So here is the complete detailed notification. You can see notification was released on 20th of January 2026. So online registration will be made available from 21st of January, that is from today. You can apply for these posts and your last date is 11th of Feb 2026. So online registration will be from 21st of January and your last date is 11th of Feb 2026. Okay, now here is the detail of this post. So first position is of your assistant environment engineer. It is a group B level 10 post. Total number of vacancies are 25. Here you can see total number of vacancy and reservation quota category wise vacancies are mentioned over here. Coming on to the pay level, so pay level is level 10 cell 1, that is your salary will be in this range 44,900 rupees to 1,42,400 rupees per month. Coming on to essential qualification, so if you have completed bachelor's of engineering, that is B, and bachelor's technology, that is BTech, or associate member of institution of engineers AME section A and B in one of the following streams. So if you have completed BE, BTech in these streams, so streams are like your civil engineering or in chemical engineering or in computer science and engineering or in IT if you have completed, or if you have completed BE, BTech in mining or in mechanical engineering or in electronic and instrumentation engineering and environmental engineering. So you can apply for this post, that is your assistant environment engineer. Okay, salary I have told you 44,900 rupees to 1,42,400 rupees per month will be your salary. Next position is assistant environment scientist. It is also a group B level post. Okay, level 10. Here total number of vacancies are 15. Pay level is level 10 cell 1. Salary is again from 44,900 rupees to 1,42,400 rupees per month. So if you have completed MSc in chemistry or in geology and geophysics, or if you have completed MSc in statistics or in life science or in environmental science and engineering, or if you have completed MSc in environmental science, you can apply for assistant environment scientist. Okay, next post is of your senior scientific assistant. It is also a group B post, level 9 post. Total number of vacancies are just 5. Pay level is level 9, that is your basic pay. Your salary will be range from 35,400 rupees to 1,12,400 rupees per month. So if you have completed MSc in chemistry or in life science or in environment science or in marine biology or in botany or in zoology or in biotechnology, or if you have completed MSc in microbiology, then you can apply for senior scientific assistant post. Okay, next post is of your junior laboratory assistant. It is a group C level post. Okay, total number of vacancies of junior laboratory assistant is 28. Pay level is level 4, that is your salary will be starting from 19,900 rupees. Okay, for this qualification is if you have completed BSc in physics or in chemistry or in botany or in zoology or in biotechnology, or if you have completed BSc in microbiology, then you can apply for junior laboratory assistant post. Next one is of your accountant. Accountant post is a group B category post. Total number of vacancies are 3. Pay level is level 9. Salary is from 35,400 rupees to 1,12,400 rupees per month. So qualification for accountant is if you have completed BCom, then you can apply for this, and also ICWA CA Inter with completed 8 years working work-ex. If you have 8 years of work-ex, then you can apply for accountant post, which is a group B category post. Pay level I have told you. Okay, next one is your junior accountant. It is a group C category post. Remember, accountant is a group B job, junior accountant is a group C category post. So for junior accountant, total number of vacancies are 16. Pay level is level 4. Salary will be range from 19,900 rupees to 63,200 rupees per month. For this qualification is BCom. If you have completed, then you can apply for this, and if you have proficiency in tele software, then you are eligible for junior accountant post. Next post is of your junior assistant, which is a group C post. Total number of vacancies are 15. Pay level is level 4. salary will be from 19,900 rupees to 63,200 rupees per month. If you have completed graduation in any discipline, then you can apply for this post. Okay. Next post is assistant section officer, which is also again a group B category post. Pay level is level 9. Salary will be from 35,400 rupees to 1,12,400 rupees per month. Total number of vacancies of assistant section engineer, assistant section officer is total number of vacancies. So overall vacancy in this Odisha job is 113. So qualification for assistant section engineer is if you have completed graduation and also if you have a 5 years of experience, then only you can apply for assistant section officer job. Now maximum age limit and minimum age limit is also mentioned. So minimum age limit is 21 years and maximum age limit is 42 years. But there are reserved categories as we know. So age relaxation is also provided, like upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years for candidates who are from SC, ST, SEBC, women, ex-servicemen, and 10 years for candidates who are under PWD categories, okay, who are permanently disability. So how will you apply in this post? So here is the website ospcboard.odisha.gov.in. Visit on this official website and apply for this post. Application is started from today, that is from 21st of January, and your last date is 11th of Feb 2026. So apply in this job. I have told you total number of vacancies, post wise vacancy we have discussed, education qualification we have discussed. So your last date is 11th of Feb. So apply before 11th of Feb. And if you are from Odisha, subscribe our channel Ranking Pedia Education for late job updates. Thanks for watching.